The BGA30 is the latest addition to the AS System range of battery tools from STIHL. This lightweight handheld leaf blower is compact and ideal for cleaning and clearing jobs you may face at your home, such as clearing driveways, patios, garden furniture and paths. It is powered by an interchangeable 10.8-volt AS2 lithium-ion battery, which can be used in other AS System tools, such as the GTA26 pruner, HSA 30 hedge trimmer or FSA 30 grass trimmer. The BGA30 can be converted from a short to a long blower tube quickly and efficiently too. Each nozzle length has different advantages. For example, the short blower tube is designed more for clearing leaves or debris off garden furniture, whereas the long blower tube is designed for clearing on the ground. The BGA30 is easy to handle and has an extremely low weight of 1.7 kilograms with the recommended battery. It also has a variable trigger which lets you control the blowing force, extending the working time of the AS2 battery. When used at maximum power, the BGA30 will have a working time of 8 minutes. When used at a lower power, it will have a working time of 25 minutes. When using the BGA30, we recommend wearing protective eyewear, gloves and sturdy footwear. The BGA30 can be bought as a tool only or as a set with 2 AS2 batteries for longer working times. For more information, speak to your local STIHL approved dealer or visit stihl.co.uk.